Hello and welcome to Fin Business. Today we are in conversation with Mr. Pradeep Nayak. He is the MD and CEO at Tiger DCCB Bank. Welcome on the show, sir.
Well, thank you.
My first question is, how has the growth been at Tiger DCCB? What are the key strategies that you have been adopted that you have seen the 5-year transformation?
We have started progressing our bank since 1997. Initially, our business mix was only 100 crores in the year of 1997. Now we have crossed 3000 crores business in March 2018. So teamwork is important tool which we believe, and other important thing which we believe is technology adoption, because we have adopted technology in our bank. We are pioneer of many important things in India. We have provided India's first Kisan debit card through our banks. We are providing all agriculture loans through this Kisan debit cards. It improves our lending also and recovery also. Secondly, we are on CBS platform since 2008. We started our computerization in 2002 and completed our CBS with our own data center in 2008. We are providing all delivery channels to our customers like RTGS, NEFT, mobile banking, net banking, all modern services which customer requires, that we are providing through our banks, and that is also a key factor for our success. We also believe that second line development is very important in our organizations. We are providing proper training to our employees. We are motivating them who are adopting higher education, higher qualification. We are providing more facilities, more monetary gains to them, and many other things also we are doing. That we have done PAX amalgamation. That is important process in our, because we are working in 3-tier structures. We have given voluntary retirement to PAX secretaries, and our own bank staff is working as a secretaries for these primary agriculture societies. We are using them as our business correspondents. That's a new model. NABARD has appreciated this, and that is known as a Raigad pattern for other organizations also. So with all these things, we are monitoring NPA through our system. We are monitoring NPA on 60 days basis for our own use. So that helps us to keep our NPA level at tolerable limits. Our net NPA is 0 for last 10 years. Our gross NPA is less than 5%. So with all this, I think we are succeeded to reach up to this level. Also, we believe that our employees is our strength. And we are providing all best HR practices for our employees. Without help of all these employees, I am sure we are not able to achieve this level.
So, to take it further from there, what is your future growth strategy? If you can highlight some of the key points that you can bring in your transformation journey.
We are working in 3-tier structure. Our upper tier is state cooperative bank, and our lower tier is primary agriculture societies, and we are in the middle. Our upper tier and middle tier we are doing best. But our lower tier, we want to strengthen our lower tier. This primary agriculture society is base of these 3-tier systems. So, and there is vast customer base with these primary agriculture societies. Now we have taken decision to computerize all these primary agriculture societies. We are providing godowns to these primary agriculture societies to stand themselves on their own legs, and we will use them as our business centers. So we can increase our business level through these primary agriculture societies like anything. Secondly, self-help group and joint liability groups, that movement, self-help group movement is also equally responsible in this process. We have formed 17,000 self-help group without help of NGOs in our banks, and 6,000 joint liability groups in our organizations. Total 2,50,000 women members are associated with self-help group and joint liability group activities. If we use this as our strength, as our customer base, and we can do something for them, we can providing micro lending to them, we can mobilize deposit through them. So by the way of that, we can increase our low cost deposit also. We can increase our lending also. There is no possibility of NPA in this such micro lending. So we are concentrating this self-help group movement, joint liability group movement. We are concentrating on strengthening of primary agriculture societies. We are concentrating on strengthening our own staff, improving our second line management, and with all this I am confident we will be able to achieve whatever we want at the end of 2028, and definitely we will cross the business of 5,000 crores.
Well, that's quite ambitious, sir. One last question. Any message that you would like to give to other DCCBs on bringing the transformation which you have brought, what they can do, what they can implement?
I think everybody should believe that everything is possible. Everything is possible. Anybody, any organization can achieve this success or do anything in any progress in banking. Only you must have will to change yourself with time and technology. If you accept this formula, if you change yourself with time and technology, I think you can do any type of progress. Secondly, what we want, we must concentrate on giving training tools to our employees. If you provide proper training tools to our employees, then I think we can do more and more progress. Secondly, we must learn to say no to wrong practices. Many times in cooperative, we avoid to say no. But if we learn to say no to wrong practices or anything wrong which happens in your organization, as a chief executive officer, then I think we can progress like anything. And secondly, we must have positive attitude with us. Many times what we think there, we are saying now, earlier I said that post office bank is a challenge for us. We say that if post office banks comes, started their business, we can't do our business also. But if we take this as an opportunity, I am confident you will be able to progress yourself and you can progress like that. And we have to bring professionalism and transparency in our working. Many times we avoid to do it. In cooperative, we avoid to do work with professionalism and transparency. If we do our business with proper professionalism and transparency, I am sure we can do progress whatever we desire.
Alright, sir. Thank you so much. Hope that you achieve all your ambitious targets on time.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for watching FinBusiness.